Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is saying that when someone is not able to manipulate you anymore, they will try to destroy you, and that's a fact. We all know that manipulation, people are trying manipulation tactics, from a long time. And they will try to destroy you if they're not able to manipulate you anymore, because it's a mind control thing. Also, she's stating that whenever someone don't come out for you, you're not supposed to go for them. If someone is talking ill or bad of someone, do not join in, because you do not have the same experience with the person. If you've never had the experience with the person that they're talking about, do not just join in without making your own judgment and having that same interaction with the person to see what the person is about. So go ahead and watch the video, and also remember, I'm doing this thing right now that I'm giving you people the opportunity to freely advertise your businesses for a while. So you could just leave your business name and whatever, and I'll put it in my next video. Alright, I won't say that it will be everyone all at once, but I'll take my time out to advertise for you for free. And this is just for now. I feel like giving back to my supporters. Thank you.
The Bible says, when you know the hypocrite, you must mark them. When a person show you who they are, you must believe them. Alright? Some shady behaviors, me not like it. Me not like shady. As much as me never like the shady behavior, me never was shady with you. I continue to show you love and respect. Straight up support. Nah stop support you, nah stop love you and respect you and all of that stuff. But when you go sideways to speak to ardent supporters of mine and say those little things, when I heard it, I felt offended. I felt offended. I felt you could have called me and you could have said it to me, because the first time we ever spoke is you called me. The first time we ever exchange a word is you called me. The first time we encounter each other, you come right here, so. I'm going to show you nothing but love and respect from that day till now. And when me ever understand, so you said these little shady ass thing, and because I know you. Because me know you. I know you. I just feel like, you know what? Leave that alone. So I'm going to do 5 more minutes of talks, and this live is going to be just that. I don't feel like talking. When people cannot control you, if people cannot manipulate you, they will try to destroy you. Always remember, when you hear someone speak negatively of an individual, don't join in. I've learned the hard way where that is concerned. When you hear people speak poorly of an individual, unless you would have had encounters and experience with the individual, unless the individual attacked you personally. This life is pure love, love and blessing. Unless the person attack you personally, don't go for the person. If a person don't come for you straight and call you your name, don't go. I always say this. When persons say somebody is shading them, is one of 2 things happen. Either what the person is alleging or saying, you're guilty of it. Or the person speaks in such a way based on what you know that you know they're speaking about you. You have some people out here on social media say they don't like problems. You have some people out here say they want to be different. Show us the difference. Show us that you don't like problem. Show us the difference in you. Show us that you don't like problem. Show us that you're not a user. Show us that you're not an instigator. You don't create confusion under and then come up and say, oh, me the type of person, me the type of person. Because you can fool some of the people some of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. And sometimes we do see through some of you people. Just like you maybe can see through me, I don't know. But we do see through some of you people. And we see the fakeness. Me can take a one picture, can take a one phone call, but me can't take the fakeness. If you know so you don't rate me, nobody come round me if you know so you don't rate me. Yeah. I can take a one picture, I can take a one phone call, I can take a one live, and I can take a one view. Nobody come round me if you know so you don't rate me. Straight. Me nah look love out in these streets. For one thing, me certain so me not short of is love. Me so sure. My mother had 6 children. I'm the smallest of the 6. I have 4 sisters alive. Me can't short of love. I cannot be short or lacking love. That's why I can give love to other people, because I have love. And you can only give what you have. Alright? Miss Princess Baby, what's up? You good? I can only give what I have. If you speak ill of me, you come to my platform. Make you feel funny, because make you feel like you play 2 sides of the fence. If you speak ill of me and you know, say me know from my action, me draw back from you, take up the phone and call me and clear it up, and then we move on out here in public. But no pretend, and then you try to make it look like you drop hints for somebody to figure out, say you try to hint at that person here. Because if we come out here and we tell the whole story, I don't make it look bad. Are you? If me and you come out here and we tell the whole story from scratch to here, so are you people are going to say wrong? You know that. You did 2 things wrong. 2 things you did wrong to me. Why I decide I'm pulling away from you. 2 things. And none of the 2 things you did you do it on social media. You did it in private. So I just decide to back away. I just decide to back away. And it's my rights to back away from you. So when you take an offense and when you go and tell my supporters all kind of stuff, the thing that hurts me the most is you say you help with my page. Tell me what you do with my page. Tell me what in God's name you do for my page. If you share one life for me, I share life for you. If you pass through and write 2 comments, I pass through and write 2 comments. So tell me, how did you help me with my page? What did you do? What did you do? Don't do that, man. We're women. Let's be better than that. And when you do those shady thing now, you come and you play nice. And you feel like, I don't know. And because